Welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with our tutorials, and now we are going to look at how to create packages. Okay, so we are going to test the system and see if so we are going to create package. So let's move on. I'll first of all come back here, go to general settings. Here I will enter products. Okay, so I will select here. Okay, as you can see, we have not created any product yet, but before you can create a product, you see this part is faded because we need to create a group first. So let's create that. And here the first group that we are going to create is share hosting. Okay, and I can just put a test here. See, select your perfect plan. Okay, so we can also enter the same thing here. Okay, so select your perfect plan. Select your perfect plan. Okay, so let's add 0 here, or I can make Y the capital. Okay, and you can enter that with our 30 days money back. Just write any tagline. Okay, it's not important to go into money back guarantee. Okay, if you don't want that, so let's maintain that. We will change all these so we don't need, and the payment is made in payment. We will talk about it later. So let me click save. So now we have created a share hosting share package. You see, we have it here. We can also create WordPress WordPress package. Okay, so this is our WordPress, but one thing is that here too you can enter the same, select your perfect plan. You can click save to click to create that. So we have added only 2 plans, that is share hosting and WordPress hosting. When you go to cloud host clients, let me see. Okay, good. So when you go to cloud host, as for us, we have 3 packages here. Reseller, which include reseller. Okay, and you cannot create a reseller account, a reseller package, because you are not a root user, so you can create a reseller package. Okay, hope you understand that. Good. So let's move on. So we have 2 packages here. I'm going to create 1 package here and another one here, but we have already created only 1 plan. Okay, and that is share hosting on the server. We did not create WordPress package. Okay, so this one I will not add any package, but let's move on. So here I can come to create new products. Okay, so share hosting has been selected. Okay, if you are creating a reseller, you can just select reseller, but as I said, there's no way you can create a reseller package. Okay, so I will click here, then the package name is share hosting, and then the product name I can make it is basic, right? Yeah, let's go to our dashboard and see what we have there. If I do remember, I think that is okay. Let me check that first. Okay, so I will check that and check this. Okay, login. Okay, so I can come here, select that. Okay, so login to cPanel. Okay, so let's check the packages that we have created. So let me go here. Okay, so the packages. The first package is basic, okay, and professional standard. So let me come back here, and so we are going to enter basic. Okay, so we will go for CWP. Make sure you select that. Create as hidden. No, we have to make it visible. Okay, so basic hosting. Yeah, let me add that, or I can just make it basic. Okay, and then continue. So we have to continue from here. So here, as I said, you can put that tagline. You can just enter something like money back guarantee or something of that sort. Okay, so let me click here. Oh, sorry, I'll come back here. Okay, new services. Okay, so let me click here, share hosting. Okay, so I can just enter this one. Okay, but if you want to, you can use any tagline of your choice. Okay, good. Then after that, we have to enter the product description here. Okay, which is very, very important. And so let me copy what I have here. I can just copy all this from here, come back here and paste it here. Okay, but if you wanted to arrange as it has been done here, then let me show you how to go about it. You see, they have added some HTML code here. So we have this one, that is this. That is way of, that is, you want to break it. Okay, we don't want a situation whereby this one will continue from here, then it will continue in a horizontal way. We want to have something like as we are seeing it here. Okay, so to do that, to achieve that, let's paste that here at the front of each of the futures. Okay, so let's do it in that way. Good. So it has been added. After that, let's go to pricing. For now, I don't want to add any price, but you can do that. Okay, recurring, don't go for one time, it's recurring, and I will go for annually. Okay, and then I think I have to, but for testing, we are testing it, so I will talk about the price in details later. So for now, let's leave it. I will not put any amount here because after this, I'm going to test the server and see if everything is working fine. Okay, so for now, I will leave it as it is. Okay, so now let's go down here. Everything is okay. Now let's go to module settings. So CWP has been selected. The group here is not that important. So let's see, do not automatic set up this product. So let's check for this. For let's say if you want to start selling the product or for the testing, this is the best or the recommended setting that you need to select. Okay, that's automatic set up the product as soon as the first payment is received. Okay, but for testing sake, we will go for this one. And there's something that we need to do here. You see, package number. This is very, very important. Okay, if you don't put a package number here, it will not work. It will not automatically provision when someone pay for the product. Okay, so you need to add a product number here. So go back to your dashboard. Let's go to your dashboard here. Select your package name as the packages, and let's see product name. We can see the product name and then ID. So this is the product, the basic product ID is 14. So we come back here and enter 14. It's very, very important. So after that, just go down. And what else? The rest is okay. Okay, we don't need that. So I can just click create. And it is done. Okay, let's go back. You can see that it has been added under share hosting. Let's come back to the front end. Let me refresh the page. And when we go to here, share hosting, we can see that we have one. And as you can see, look at how it has been arranged. That's perfect. That's what we want. Okay, and it's very, very nice. Okay, so we are going to test this. Okay, we need to do that. Okay, which is very, very important. In our next video, we will buy the product and see if it's going to work for us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.